We'll start the revision of circle. I know one question to explain. I'll do later. Okay. So circle, what you learn? Your school started now. Gulf Indian, where you reach now? DPS update. Quadrilaterals. Okay. Oh, okay. That's only. GIS. Hello. GIS. Okay. Okay, listen here. This is a revision of circle. Look, circle we learn. I just do some revision question and reader question. Look at here. We learn circle here, center here. Okay, this is what we call chord. Okay, then when you draw a perpendicular, the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So C, if OC perpendicular to AB, then AC equal to CB. Okay, look at here. Look, if OC, listen, the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. If OC perpendicular to AB, then AC equal to CB. If it is like this, look. Okay, here, this equal to this one. This one you learn, right? The perpendicular from, listen, this one you learn, the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Okay, the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Clear now? Hello, first theorem understood? The perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Okay, the perpendicular from the center, the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. Okay, look at here. So the first theorem, hello, listen all. Everyone okay? First theorem, the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Okay, we did already. Second theorem, look at here. Second theorem, look here, O in the center, AB is a chord. See the center. Then the line segment joining the center and midpoint of the chord is perpendicular. This angle is 90 degrees. Okay. This is the second theorem. Okay. Now, third theorem. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. That means, listen here. Two chords, AB and CD. AB and CD are two equal chords. Then OM and ON are equal. OM and ON are equal. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Then its converse also there is. Chords equidistant from the center are equal. That means if OM equal to ON, then AB equal to CD. Understood? If OM equal to ON, then AB equal to CD. Now, based on fourth theorem, listen here. Hello. Okay. I'll explain. Naishi, you already done this all. I just revision. Theorem number 1. Look at here. Theorem number 1. The perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. That means, look, AB is a chord. O the center. When you draw perpendicular, OM perpendicular to AB, then AM equal to MB. This is the first theorem. What? The perpendicular from the center, the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. This is the first theorem. Second theorem, if M is the midpoint of AB, okay, then OM is perpendicular. That means if AM equal to MB, then angle M is 90 degrees. That is second theorem. Third theorem, if chord AB equal to chord CD, then OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Fourth theorem, if OM equal to ON, then AB equal to CD. It's clear now? Four theorems. Is it okay? Everyone okay? Now, write the question. If two circles intersect at 2 points, 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 prove that their center lie on the, prove that their center, the star question, prove that their hello, listen here. If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their center lie on the perpendicular bisect of the common chord. Their center lie on the perpendicular bisect of the common chord. Okay, look at here. I'll show this one. Look. Listen here. If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their center lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Their center lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Okay. Look at here. Here, two circles. Okay. Here, listen here. Don't start. Two circles intersect at 2 points. Look at here. Don't start. I'll show this one. Okay. The first center is O. Second is O dash. The question is what? two circles intersect at 2 points. Intersect at A and B. If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that the center lie on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. So here you join this one. Join this one. So here M. What you are shown? You are shown that MA equal to MB. MA equal to MB. Okay. Draw figure. Okay, draw figure first. Finish. You understand the question? If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Okay, that means we are sure that M is the midpoint of AB. Okay, look at here. Right, given. Two circles with the center O and O dash. Two circles with the center O and O dash intersect at A and B. Okay. Two circles with the center O and O dash intersect at A and B. To prove O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. To prove O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That is O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means what you are shown? That is AM equal to MB, AM equal to MB, AM equal to MB, and angle AMO 90 degree. AMO 90 degree. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Don't start now. Look. Construction join OA, OB, O dash A, O dash B. Okay. Don't write now. Hello. Don't write. Look. Take the triangle. In triangle OA, O dash, OB, O dash. OA equal to OB, same radius. O dash A equal to O dash B. O dash common. O dash common. Therefore, triangle OA, O dash is congruent to triangle OB, O dash. SSS congruency. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Okay, write this one. Right. Construction. Join OA, OB, O dash A, O dash B. O dash B. Okay. Then proof. In triangle OA, O dash. In triangle OA, O dash and OB, O dash. OA, O dash and OB, O dash. OA, O dash, and OB, O dash. OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. Why? What is the reason? Radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. Then OB, O dash A equal to O dash B. Same reason. Radii of the same circle. Then O dash equal to O dash. O dash equal to O dash, common. Therefore, triangle OA O dash congruent to triangle OB O dash. OA O dash congruent to triangle OB O dash. SSS congruency. Okay, right up to that. Hello, be sure. What was the original figure? What is the figure now? You can understand now what we constructed. Right? What was the original figure? You didn't see. Okay, hey, not finished. Up to here, okay or not? Okay, now, after that, look at here now. Now, listen, in triangle OAM, listen out, don't write now. In triangle OAM and OBM, OA equal to OB, same radii of same circle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. OM equal to OM, common. Therefore, triangle AOM congruent to triangle BOM, SAS congruency. Hence, AM equal to MB, CPCT, number 1. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, number 2, CPCT. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180, number 3, linear pair. Therefore, from 1, 2, 3, we get O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, right now. Hello, right. In triangle OAM, in triangle OAM, and OBM, OAM and OBM. Okay, OAM and OBM, OA equal to OB, radii. OA equal to OB, radii of same circle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. Then OM equal to OM, common. OM equal to OM, common. Okay. Then, therefore, triangle AOM, congruent to triangle BOM, Okay. SAS congruency, Hence, AM equal to MB, number 1, CPCT. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, CPCT, number 2. Angle 3 plus angle 4, equal to 180 degree, linear pairs. From 1, 2, 3, we get O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Clear or not? Hello, is it okay? There are two parts to this. Part 1, we show angle 1 equal to angle 2. Part 2 only is showing the final part. What is that? Part 2 part is what? In triangle OAM and OBM. OA equal to OB, radii of same circle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. OM equal to OM, common. Therefore, triangle AOM congruent to triangle BOM SIS congruency. Hence, AM equal to MB CPCT. Angle 3 equal to angle 4 CPCT. But angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Therefore, O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Is it okay now? Okay, everyone check this one. Okay, finish. Is it okay? It's a very important question. We did already. Okay, next question. Right. Next one. Is it okay all? Finished? It's a star question. I'm not doing all questions, only star questions only. Okay. Right. Listen. Take reader page 179. Page 179. Page 179. Read question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1. Okay. Hello. This is very close related to this question. That's why I'm doing now. Look at here. Page 179, question number 1. Okay. I'll show this one because very close to this question. Look at here. The question is what? Two circles of radii. 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. 5 centimeter and 5 and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points at a distance between the center is 4. This distance is 4. Okay, this distance is 4. Find the length of the common chord. Find the length of the common chord. That means we have to find the length of AB. Find the length of AB. Clear now? Question. Okay. Hello. Listen here. Question clear or not? Okay. Look at here. First of all, you prove O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. You already done that one. Question explained. Others, you read the question. Others, you read the question. You read it. What I had explained the question. Two circles of radii 5 and 3 intersect at A and B. Find the length of the common chord. You can find out AB. Like previous question. Exactly previous question. Okay, previous question. just show O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now here we have to find the length of AB. Okay, look at here. OA is 5. Okay. O dash is 3. O dash is 4. Okay. Look at here. Hello. We already proved O dash is the perpendicular bisector. That means you got AM equal to MB and angle M is 90 degrees. Okay. Can you try area of triangle AOB? Sorry, O dash. Area of triangle O dash. 3 sides are given. 5, 3, 4. How will you find out? Area of triangle. Yes, you find out. Find out right now. Area. Okay, listen. Don't try straight away. You have to cut and paste the previous one. But now no need. Understood now? If the question comes independently, you have to copy the previous question. You write O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. After that, right, area of triangle O dash. Area of triangle O dash. Listen, 3, 4, 5. Which type of triangle? 3, 4, 5. Which type of triangle? 3, 4, 5. Because we don't want Heron's formula here. No. It is the right triangle. Correct or no? It is a right angle triangle. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. Correct? Okay, listen. If you're not getting that idea, forget about. Listen. If not getting that idea, you find out area of triangle by Heron's formula. Clear or not? Ashvi. If not getting that idea, listen, suppose in your mind, it's not coming to that idea, we just find out area of triangle by Heron's formula. But here we notice that 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. That means it's a right triangle. Therefore, look at here. Area of triangle O dash equal to half into 4 into 3. Correct or not? Half into base into height. Because that angle 9 degree. 3, 4, 5 means 3, 4, 5 means 5 is the hypotenuse. Correct or not? 5 is the hypotenuse. Equal to half into 4 into AM. Because area will be same only. Correct or not? Listen, area of a triangle, if you use Heron's formula or half into base into height or any other formulas, area will be same. Correct? Suppose you draw a triangle, then you finding the area of triangle by Heron's formula or half base into height, area will be same. So half into 4 into 3. Half into 4 into 3 means a right triangle. Half base and height, AM. Half cancel, 4 cancel. So AM equal to 3. AM equal to, we got 3. Therefore, AB how much? AB how much? AB equal to what? AB how much? Come on, man. AM equal to 3. Then AB how much? 6. Because you said already, right? Okay. Asma, your class where you reach now? Affirm, Asma. Your class where you reach? Hello, Asma. Affirm. Bhavans, anyone, any Bhavans update? Lohidasha, Mawjud? Lohidasha, your class where you reach? Hello, Arnav Singh, your class where you reach, man? Asma. Affirm. Okay. Logidarshan not here. Why not answering then? Okay. Logidarshan let it go out. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, copy the question. Copy the answer. Hello, everyone, copy the answer. Clear or no? First, you write O dash. First, it start like this. O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Then bracket write proof as per the previous question. What are you asking others? You write the knot. Okay. O dash, right? O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Bracket right as per previous question. Okay. Then area of triangle, right? After that, area of triangle O dash equal to half into 4 into 3. Half into 4 into 3 equal to half 4 into AM. Half 4 into AM. 4 into AM. Okay. Okay. So half cancel, 4 cancel, AM equal to 3. Therefore, AB equal to 6. AB equal to 6. Okay. It's clear now? Using Heron's formula also, same answer will get man. Any method, the area won't change. Okay. If you use the Heron's formula, no problem. Okay. So finish now. Okay. So next, it's clear now. Okay. So next question, right? Okay. Page 178. Okay. Page 178, example 2. Page 178, example 2. Okay, start that. Page 178, example 2. Hello. Take the page number 178. Page number 178. Example 2. Start first. Okay. Try now. Hello. Page number what? Okay. This is a very lengthy chapter. Okay. Page 178, example 2. And very important question chapter. That's why I'm doing again this one. Okay. Okay. If not getting asked. Okay, I explain this question. Look at here for now. The question, hello, listen here. If two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angle with the diameter passing through the point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. Hello, listen here all. Look. Look. If two intersecting chords of a circle, if two intersecting chords of a circle, if two intersecting chords of a circle, look at here. AB and CD. Don't write now. Okay. If two chords of a circle make equal angle with the diameter of the circle passing the point of intersection. Here. This angle equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. What you have to prove? To prove that AB equal to CD. Prove that AB equal to CD. Understand the question now? Pranav? Pranav. Listen, AB and CD are two chords intersecting at E. The diameter through E makes equal angles. That means angle 1 equal to angle 2. Prove that AB equal to CD. That's the question. Okay. Then look at here now. Don't look at the proof, the reader proof. Listen here. Also make it easy. Look at here. Construction, draw OM and ON perpendicular. Draw OM and ON perpendicular. Then proof. In triangle OME, ONE, angle M equal to angle N, 90 degree by construction. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, given. OE equal to OE, common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by AAS. Correct or no? AAS. Hence, OM equal to ON, CPCT. OM equal to ON, CPCT. OM equal to ON, CPCT. Hence, AB equal to CD. Why? Equal chords are chords theorem. You all learn now. Chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal. Clear now? Is it okay? Right. You write given. Write given. What you can write? AB and CD are two chords of a circle with center O intersecting at the point E. Okay. Okay, you want the name as a chord, then PQ. As per the reader, PQ is a diameter through E such that, okay, are you writing now? If you're writing, I'll give the note. Hello, right. Given, right, given AB and CD are two. AB and CD are two chords of a circle. AB and CD are two chords of a circle. AB and CD are two chords of a circle with center O intersecting at a point E. PQ is a diameter. PQ is a diameter passing through E such that angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. To prove AB equal to CD. To prove AB equal to CD. Then construction. Draw OM and ON perpendicular to AB and CD. Draw OM and ON perpendicular to CD. Okay. Now proof. In triangle OME. In triangle OME and ONE. OME and ONE. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Then angle M equal to angle N. Angle M equal to angle N, 90 degree. Then OE equal to OE, common. OE equal to OE, common. Therefore, triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE. OME equal to ONE. AAS congruency. Hence, OM equal to ON, CPCT. OM equal to ON, CPCT. Therefore, AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. In bracket, write chords of equidistant from the center, chords equidistant from the chords equidistant center, chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. Chords are equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. Is it okay? This is start question. Make sure all. Okay, finish. Okay, so next, look at here. Try 10.4 question number 2. 10.4 question number 2. 10.4 question number 2. Almost same type. 10.4 question number 2. Okay, you try. If not getting asked, I'll explain this one. Okay, so this all start questions. Okay, so try now. Okay. We finished question number 2. Hello, anyone have doubt? Anyone have doubt? If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that segment of one chord are equal to corresponding segment of the other. Anyone want to explain this one? Tell me. Anyone? Come on. Okay. You have to prove that. Okay, I will show this one. Okay. Nia, understood or not? You got? Gulf Indian guys, your class done already. We also did this question. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Listen up. Come on. Two equal chords. Listen here. Two equal chords. If two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segment of one chord are equal to. That means, look at here, Sairam. What you have to prove? You have shown that AE equal to DE and CE equal to BE. This is the one you have to prove. Understood? Hello. What you have to prove? If two, listen, try to understand the question. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that segment of one chord, that means AE equal to DE and CE equal to BE. This you have to prove. Okay. Okay, what is given? AB and CD are two equal chords intersecting at E. To prove that AE equal to DE. Okay, write that. First you write, draw figure, then write. Okay. Everyone draw figure, I'll give the note. Okay, right. Given AB and CD are equal chords. AB and CD are two equal chords. AB and CD are two equal chords. Intersect at E. AB and CD are two equal chords. Intersect at E. AB and CD are two equal chords. Intersect at E. To prove AE equal to DE, AE equal to DE, and CE equal to BE, CE equal to BE. Okay. Like before, there is a construction. Don't write down. Draw OM perpendicular, ON perpendicular, and join OE. Right. Construction. Construction. Draw OM, ON perpendicular to AB and CD. Draw OM and ON perpendicular to AB and CD. Join OE. Okay. Now, up to here, okay or not? Saira, anyone have up to here, okay? Clear or not? We are doing the second time this question. Okay. Now, look at here. Show triangle OME and ONE are congruent. Triangle OME and ONE are congruent. How? In triangle, don't write. I'll explain. Up to that, I'll give you. In triangle OME and ONE, OM equal to ON. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. angle M equal to angle N, 90 degree. OE equal to OE, common. Therefore, triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE. OME congruent to triangle ONE. RHS congruency. Correct or not? RHS congruency. Okay, write that. Right? In triangle, everyone is getting or not? I want to do this chapter again now. Okay, this is again I'm doing. Okay, in triangle OME, in triangle OME and ONE. OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Then angle M equal to angle N. Angle M equal to angle N, 90 degree by construction. OE equal to OE, common. Okay, therefore, triangle OME congruent to angle ONE, RHS congruency. RHS congruency. Okay, hence, ME equal to NE. ME equal to NE. ME equal to NE. CPCT. Okay, keep it with you. MENE equal to, look at here, what you got? ME equal to NE. Call it number one CPCT. After that, listen all. Don't write. AB equal to CD given, right? AB equal to CD given. Therefore, AB by 2 equal to CD by 2. That means AM equal to DN, number 2. Okay. Here you write the perpendicular from the center bisect the, okay, add 1 and 2. AM plus ME equal to DN plus NE. What is that? AM plus ME, AE equal to DE. Proved. Number 3. Now, okay. We call this is number 2. This is 3, 4. Last part. 2 minus 4. AB minus AE. What? AB minus AE, BE. CD minus DE. What? CE. Okay. Finish. Okay. Okay. Okay, right now, AB equal to CD, number 1, given. AB by 2 equal to CD by 2. Equal to AM equal to DN. AM equal to DN. In bracket, right? Perpendicular from the center. Perpendiculars from the center bisect the chord. Perpendiculars from the center bisect the chord. Therefore, AM equal to DN. AM equal to DN, number 3. Adding 1 and 3. Adding 1 and 3. Adding 1 and 3, we get AM plus ME equal to DN plus NE. That is AE equal to DE. AE equal to DE. Okay. Number 4. Then 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. What do you get? Sorry, 2 minus 4. AB minus AE. AB minus AE equal to CD minus DE. CD minus DE. That is BE equal to CE. BE equal to CE. Okay. Okay, check all this one. Okay. Are you okay now? Okay. So clear now. So next, then try question number 3. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Okay. So almost same. Two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle. Prove that line joining the point of intersection makes equal angle with the chords. Okay. Chords are equal. Just like example. Actually, converts of examples. Try now. Okay. Like try question number 3. You try yourself. Okay. If not getting, tell me. If not getting, go to the previous questions and retry. Okay. Okay, try this one. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, finish or not? If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove the line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angle with the chord. Okay, exactly previous figure. Here OM and ON equal. Reason you know. Then angle M equal to angle N 90 degree. OE common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by RHS. Right? RHS, no? Yes. Hence, this angle, angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Finish or not? Okay. Clear now? Question number 3 finished. Now you start question number 4. Hello. Try question number 4 now. Question number 4. Okay. These are all very important questions. So now question number 4. Okay. Okay. So if it is finished, starting 4th one. Okay. Okay. Question number 4. Anyone had doubt? Question number 4. Okay. Then question number 4. Then. Okay. So now listen here. Everyone finished question number 4. Then I am going to start the next part. Okay. So try this question. Okay, try this one. Two circles intersect at 2 points, right? Two circles intersect at 2 points, A and B. Two circles intersect at 2 points, A and B. Two circles intersect at 2 points, A and B. AD and AC are diameters. AD and AC are diameters of the two circles. Prove that DBC are collinear. DBC are collinear. DBC are collinear. Look at here. Okay, it's not like this. A, B, C, D here. Okay, this is the figure. Okay. DPS guys, how's your SST today? Two circles. Question. Two circles intersect at two. Any news about your test, your final exam? Any news about your final exam? GIS? Okay. Because 10th board is postponed, you know that, right? You start from May. Yeah, it starts from May, ending in June. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. So, right here, two circles. Question: two circles intersect at 2 points, A and B. AD and AC intersect to AD and AD. This is D. AD and AC. AD and AC are diameters of two circles. AD and AC are diameters of the two circles. Prove that DBC are collinear. DBC are collinear. DBC are collinear. Okay, try now. No, Pranav, it is the offline. You have to go to school. Board exam, guys. Not online, okay? Maybe yours also not online. Your final exam also not online, okay? Don't think like that, okay? You have to go and write. At least you have to visit now, your school location. We'll start immediately after your 9th exam, okay? So those who wish to join, you can send a message. Okay. Yes, online only. Okay. The half part from here, half maybe I'll go to India. So anyway, I'll continue the class. Okay, anyway, try this one. How to show DBC is online. Sorry, DBC or straight line. Which one you prefer, whether online or normal class? Which one you prefer? Normal. Normal is not possible now. Normal, I don't think it is possible near. No, normal class now, near future, I don't think. Maybe until our vaccine or then only chances. Till then, no chances. School may allow. School may be allow maybe 50% like that. School may allow higher classes. And India also like that started now. Kerala started schools. Not all the classes. Yeah, I think all the classes started. Today onwards. All those classes. But now problem is again this UK virus issue there is. It is very fast spread. Okay. So now, okay, come on. How to show DBC is a straight line? What will do? Very simple. You join AB. AD is a diameter. Look at here. AD is a diameter. Therefore, this angle 90. AC is a diameter. This also 90. So what? Angle ADB plus, sorry, angle ABD plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Hence, it is a straight line. Clear now? Okay, right first. Okay. So next one. Okay, finish. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay, finish. Okay. So next question. The radius of a circle is 13 centimeter. The radius of a circle is 13 centimeter. Radius of a circle is 13 centimeter, and length of one of its chord is 10 centimeter. Length of one of its chord is 10 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Once again, the radius of a circle is 13 centimeter. The radius of a circle is 13 centimeter, and the length of one of its chord is 10 centimeter. Length of one of its chord is 10 centimeter. Length of one of its chord is 10 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Okay, try now. Radius is 13. Length of chord is 10. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Okay. Okay, look at here. Hello, look. The radius, look. Chord of length 10 centimeter. AB 10 centimeter. Center here. OM Okay. OM perpendicular to AB. Therefore, this one is 5. This one 13 given. We have to find out OM. Do it now. How much? Anybody got OM how much? Anybody got? OM is how much? OM square equal to OB square minus MB square. That is what? 13 square minus 5 square. 169 minus 25, 144. Root is 12. Are you okay? Understood why it is 5? Because OM perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. That's why it is 5. Okay, next one. Next. Find the length of a chord. Find the length of a chord which is at a distance of. Find the length of a chord. Find the length of a chord which is at a distance. Find the length of a chord which is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of a. Find the length of a chord. Find the length of a chord which is. Find the length of a chord which is 5 centimeter from the center of a circle. 5 centimeter from the center of a circle of radius 13 centimeter. Of radius 13 centimeter. Find the length of a chord. Once again, find the length of a chord. Find the length of a chord which is at a distance of. Find the length of a chord which is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of a circle of radius 13 centimeter. Okay. Find out. Here radius is given. Radius is given and length also, distance is given. Okay, finish. Answer is what? 24 centimeter. Yes, 24 centimeter. Okay, so next class. Hello, everyone gone now. 59. Next class, go through this chapter. Then I'll start the next questions. Okay, so you got some idea about this chapter, right? Hello. Next class, you go through this up to here. Okay. This week test is 2 chapters, surface area volumes and circle. Okay, so now we go through up to here, then next class I'll continue it. Okay.